Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look for Valentine's Day. Let's get this video started, and don't forget, if you're new, to subscribe to my channel. I have 68 subscribers, trying to get to 100 because, you know, want to go famous, want to be viral. So yeah, if you guys like this video on my Valentine's Day look, don't forget to like and comment down below. First part, what I decided to do was I decided to contour my face. So I contoured my face in pink because I just thought it really brought the look together, you know. I'm using the Zulu by Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to be using a big fluffy brush to do this. And when you're doing it, I'm going to be using this this color here, this pink color, and you're going to basically contour your face. Okay, and so after I do that first set of contour, I'm then going to take the purple and I'm going to contour again on top of that, just so that it has a blend and it's just not all pink, so it's like a mix. I'm then going to take the really shimmer color, this one, and I'm going to blend that. I'm going to blend that around the contour. So it's gonna go like right outside of it. One of the palettes that I'm going to be using a lot today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip kit, and I really like these because you can do really cool artsy looks with it when you don't have like face paint. The lip stuff's really good too. So for the eyebrows today, I'm going to be doing them pink. I don't know why, I just thought it looked cool, so I'm going to do that today. And basically for my whole eyebrow, I'm going to be using this color right here. And all I'm going to do is just and all I'm going to do with this color is basically fill in my eyebrows. So after you apply the pink to your eyebrow, I'm then going to take the Pretty Rich Too Faced palette, and I'm going to be using this palette a bunch. I'm going to then apply the color Diamond Glitterati, this one, to my eyebrow. And I'm just going to use an angled brush because I feel like it's easy to apply it with. So with this color, all you're going to do is tap it onto your eyebrow and pack it on, so your eyebrows are shimmery. For the brush I'm using to do my eyes, I'm using the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm using the Zulu palette by Juvia's again. And I'm using that same color that we blended our contour in with, and I'm using this pink color again. And that's going to be the first color I use today. And all you're going to do is you're going to apply this color and make sure you blend it really well. I'm going to then add my concealer and make a cut crease. So once you have your cut crease, I'm then going to use the the Don't Leave color and Super Shock Shadow by ColourPop. And with this color, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm using the flat end. And you're going to take this color and apply it all over the lid, only on the part where you cut the crease. Then going to use the Pretty Rich palette again, and I'm going to use that same color, Diamond Glitterati, and I'm going to take my finger onto this color and apply it to the lid. Take this brush and use this color called Clutch Your Pearls. And I'm going to apply that into my inner crease. And I'm going to take that same glitter color and apply it to my crease inside my inner eye as well. I said crease, inner eye, inner corner. So that color is on. I'm then going to take that color by ColourPop called Don't Leave, and I'm going to apply it to my under eye. Mascaras, they're Real Furs by Benefit, and I'm just going to use it as my first coat. I'm going to take my second coat, Better Than Sex mascara. And then I'm going to take my Too Faced highlighter. I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm actually going to apply this into my contour just so the pink is more like highlighted. I'm actually going to apply this to my nose. And then to my lip, my cupid's bow. This is the more difficult part, which took me the longest to do, and that was to apply the hearts. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip kit. So when I did these, it took me a little bit of time to do. I'm going to be using 3 colors. I'm going to be using this color here, this purple, and the white, and possibly some of this color. And all I did was, when I did my hearts, was I did the outline and then I filled them in. So I'm gonna do one of them and then I'll probably like fast forward it and won't like talk about how I did it. So I'm going to take this color right here first as my outline color. And I'm just using a tiny angled brush to do this. And what you're going to do is you're going to make the shapes of hearts on your face. You see? And I'm just gonna make sure they're all filled. It's like the line is filled in. And then I'm taking the color. I'm gonna take these 2 colors. I'm gonna mix them. And start filling the hearts in. And then you can also take the white to lighten the heart up, because white lightens the colors. So there's one heart, and I'm gonna fill in the heart with what I did. What I did was I just took like I took this palette and I took a tiny brush and used this color here, and I applied it in the heart to make it a little glower, like glow, make it glow a little. And then I took the pink, the sparkly pink color that I applied on my lids, and I applied it in the heart so the heart sparkles, which I thought was cute. So yeah, that's all I do, and I'll probably just fast forward this. So this is the final look. Here's an up close. So yeah, it was a really last minute look. I really like how it came out though. I think it's really cool. I don't think I'd wear my eyebrows like that out in public, but I just thought I brought the whole look together, the whole pink Valentine's Day vibes. But yeah, if you guys like this look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, let me know what you think. If you're new, subscribe, you know, the whole deal. But yeah, I'm really liking that. I'm really digging the hearts. I was surprised I even did the hearts really good. But yeah, thanks for watching my video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.